Just a quick spoiler alert here. I am going to be doing a complete unboxing of Maniology's box of magic. So if you do not want to see what is in this box, then please don't watch it, because I'm going to be unwrapping everything. The link to purchase this box is in the description box and in the comments. Hey y'all, it is that time again for the Maniology Halloween themed box. I know I absolutely love the one that they did last year. If you want to check that out, look down in the comments and the description box and I'll have a link to the one that they had out last year. This is a new box with new items. Mine got just dinged up a little bit in delivery, but it is okay. I haven't even opened this yet because I wanted to be just as surprised as you are. So if you want to order this box, look in the comments and the description box and I have a link to this year's box as well. And if you want this, grab it because they do sell out fast, okay? So let's get this open. Oh, look at that. Happy Halloween from Maniology. All right, so in here, you're going to have this little booklet. Oh, and a sticker. They always send the cutest stickers in with their orders. This one says, "You're full of magic." Yes, I am. So we're just going to lay that right over there. So this is the countdown book. It's sort of like an Advent type box, if you will. Each day has like a little numbered sticker on it and you can open one up each day. So like as a countdown to Halloween, or if you're like me and you just can't wait, of course, open it all at once. But this is the countdown book. So what we're going to do, if you don't mind, I'm going to open it up. We're going to take a look at each page and then we're going to find the corresponding item. So this says, "A clown with a balloon leads the way, his twinkling eyes gleam as if to say, 'Come closer, dear, and see inside. There's no turning back and no place to hide.'" So now we need to find number 1 right here. See the little sticker there? That tells you what each item is in correspondence with the page. So let me get this open. We'll see what it is. Okay. It is their Boo Balloon Monocle Stamper, and I do love the larger monocle stampers. You can get, large image on there. Come out. Here we go. And as always, it comes with a scraper card. Look at that. Isn't that cute? It says Boo. And then you have this cute little bat balloon, some other balloons here. And so that is the theme for this one here. Open. That is the theme for this one here in my favorite color, of course, purple. And it matches your scraper card. I love to have the matching sets. That's just me. I'm very matchy-matchy. So let's set that off to the side and look at day number 2, or item number 2 rather. "Happy Halloween" reads a glowing sign atop a circus tent with striped design. Streamers and lights strewn on top, balloons inflated until they pop. All right, so that is a stamping plate. See, number 2, look at this design. I love the design. Okay, now when you get ready to use your plates, you do have to peel off this blue topper. I'm not going to do that to try to help filter out my filming lights so that it doesn't blind you. So these, you would make your base color and then you would stamp the contrast on top. All of these cool layered designs. Really, really cool. I like that. I like that. That was pretty cool as well. All right, so let's move on to number 3. Put that back in there. Okay, number 3. Inside the tent, you take your seat next to a funny little clown with needle-sharp teeth. His green eyes lock you into a hypnotic gaze, and with a sudden snap, you're left dizzy and dazed. Well, that's not very nice, is it? All right, so let's find number 3. Here we go. So number 3, where'd the sticker go? Number 3 is a stamping polish. Let's take a look at the box here. I absolutely love the attention that they put into their design and detail. Ooh, that is a bright green. It is called Trickster. Such a cool color. Let's open it up and see if I can show it to you without me spilling it and making a mess. Now that is bright. Okay, I cannot wait to do something with that. And of course, I'll make a separate video showing how to use all this stuff. Number 4, clowns and performers at wavering heights with menacing smiles and demented delight. The colors seem brighter, the sounds too loud. You race from the stands, tumbling to the ground. I don't know. Yeah, this sounds like a place that I would hang out. Sort of like a, very like a haunted circus type deal. I would hang out there. Number 4, again, another stamping plate. And let's take a look at the designs on here. Very cool. Little clown. Look, this little pumpkin-headed guy's juggling. Oh, look at that one. Oh, these are just so cool. Oh, this is a very long stamping plate, good for very long nails. But all of Maniology's designs that I've noticed that are patterns like this, you can stack them and layer them and they all just flow together. That one is very cool. I like that one. Look at this spiral. Look at that spiral right there. How cool is that? You have your jack-o'-lantern jesters. This evil looking little bunny here. Look at that. Very, very cool. All right, so that was number 4. Let's move on to number 5. Gumdrop gems sparkle and gleam on the heels of the ringmaster like a haunting dream. She extends a glove, helping you from the floor, and with a baton gestures to the door. Well, I ain't leaving. All right, number 5 right here. Gosh, look at these stickers. I love to see these. All right, so let me get this open. Okay, look at this. It's a little container of like these little sparkles and gems. That is really cool. And they're like flat-backed cabochons. And as you can see, they're sort of like rounded. Very, very sparkly. Let's see if I can open it without making a big old mess. See, they're like flatbacks. Very, very sparkly. And I've got glue and paint and stuff all over my hands. I've tried to get it off, but I've been real busy today crafting and my hands are a disaster. But let's take a look at the tissue paper with all of the cool designs on it. Just really, really cool. I love all this stuff. Okay, so let's see. Number 6, carnival treats, stuffed animals in sight, prizes and toys that fill you with delight. Your senses calmed among the eerie scene of candy, cakes, and jelly beans. So we have that right here. This stamping plate, we'll take a look at that. So I'm assuming this will be like haunted treats and toys. Look at that. How cool is that? Another large design. Look at all this candy. And this is like some really creepy looking stuffed animals. Like haunted ice cream, and here's some fast food, like fair food. Looks like a worm is on the pizza. Oh, I like that. I like that. Reminds me of Sam. Games, prizes, food. Like, oh, look at that right there. Look at that one. I like that poison apple with the bow. Oops, I'm sorry. Try to get in focus here. All right, let's put this away. Number 7. Step right up to the carnival games. Everyone's a winner with a prize to claim. Rusty tools, broken toys, tricks and treats. Which one of these prizes will you pick? I ain't sure. So what number is 7? All right, hold on, let me find it. I had to like lean over the box. I didn't realize it was like down there in the corner. Ooh, okay, I love tools like this. I love tools. This is like a very, very fine tipped tweezer with like a cuticle pusher type deal here. Look at that. Very, very pointy, very nice. Would be excellent for picking up all those little gems that we just saw. Really a cool tool. 7, 8. With a pop and a hiss, smoke fills the air. Then out lurks a figure and a hat with a hair. Taken by the arms through the shadowy haze, you're guided toward the spotlight on a fanciful stage. Oh, y'all try to kick me out. Now you're going to put me on stage. All right, then. We got number 8 right here. It's going to be some polish. Ooh. This is called Smoke Show. Smoke Show. Look at that. Let's get it open. There we go. That is a really cool color. I love like the blacks and grays and, you know, the deep colors. I really like those. So that was Smoke Show. Number 9, the magician and rabbit announce their thrilling surprise. Then you're locked in a box, a scarf blinding your eyes. Applaud from an audience erupts with laughter and awe, and you're deafened by the roar of a hacking chainsaw. Well, well, well. A hacking chainsaw. So let's see what this one is. Ooh, there's some smoke. And the magical rabbit. I'm trying to look at this and see the camera at the same time. Like a wand and a spider. Oh, how cool. How cool. How cool. Spider webs. All the magical wands here. I can never have too many spider web plates, believe me. I use spider web plates quite a lot. Okay, number 10. To your surprise, you crawl out unscathed. The magician and rabbit shove you off stage. A big band plays a lively exit tune. Your consolation, a lollipop and a deflated balloon. Well, darn it. All right, let's find number 10. Oh, number 10. Oh, please tell me that this is going to be another like book to put our plates in. And I believe that's what it is. Oh my goodness. I absolutely loved the one last year. I think I'm going to love this. I can see it already. I can see it already. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I tell you what, when it comes to Halloween stuff, you can't touch Maniology. You can't. You cannot touch Maniology. They have the most awesome things. Look at this. But what this is a booklet to put your plates in, your stamping plates, to protect them so they don't get all scratched up. And the one from last year was black and it had like purple ghosts all over it. Now, this is just so cool. I love it, love it, love it. Put that paper over there. I was hoping that this box would come with one. Number 11. Charming, says the stagehand. What a great show. But the time has finally come for you to know the fate of your life and all that is true. Old Madam Wise is here waiting for you. Well, she might be waiting a minute. It might take me a second to get this out of here. All right, Madam Wise, here we come, here we come. Ooh, purple! These people have my heart. They really do, with all the purples and the dark colors. Charmed. Charmed, charmed. Look at that. Look at that purple. Look at it. It is so cool. So, so cool. I'm loving the purple and the green and the black. Just so cool. Okay, okay, okay. I thought it was recording and it wasn't. I'm going to do it again. Number 12. At the mystic tent, you're beckoned inside by an old lady seer with white clouded eyes. On bated breath, you watch her deal. A tarot spread of your fortune sealed. Oh my gosh, y'all know I adore the tarot. So let's see what this is. Kind of squishy, squishy, squishy. So let's see what this is. Give me a second. All right, this is so cool. This is a mini silicone mat. Yes, look at that. With the Wheel of Fortune and the palms with the all-seeing eyes. Your measurements here. Just how cool is this? So like when you're stamping your nails or doing your nails, I have a bigger silicone mat, but you can use these. If you get polish on it, just it wipes right away, or if it's dried, you can just peel it off. It just helps to protect your table, your tablecloth, whatever it is, you know, where you're doing your nails. It's a really good protector. All right, number 13, and this is the last one. Boo. The past, she croons, a card of challenges and tears. The present, I see, your courage through fear. At last, your future card looks very bright. You'll live a long life of love, creativity, and light. As you leave, the sunrise has begun to glow, the tent's packed up and performers ready to go. Quickly as it came, the circus fades from sight, leaving behind memories of an unforgettable night. All right, number 13, the last one. Let's take a look-see. Ooh. So here's your crystal ball. Of course, you would stamp your base here, and then this is the part that would go on top. So cool. Look at this design right here. The stars and the moon. I like these with the eyes and the palm. I love those. A spider, crystal ball, a nice backdrop. Very mystical looking for any of these. And here's your fortune teller. Love and fate, fortunes told, sees all, knows all. There's a very celestial looking one there. Sun, moon, and stars. There this says tarot, crystal balls, psychic readings. Very, very cool. All right. So let's look at the rest of this book. I'll show you what else it has. Look at this, all of these designs here. It tells you how to stamp on your nails. Reverse stamping, which means basically you just pick up your design with your main color, and then on your stamper you use a very fine tipped brush and you just brush on different colors, and then when you flip it over, all of your designs are colored. It tells you how to do that. There's a picture there. Here's another how-to with this stamping plate. It tells you colors to use, and it tells you what all of the products are, how to take care of your mat, how to clean and take care of your art tweezers, the art stones, how to apply them. So not only do they give you like really cool items, they don't just leave you in the dark as to how to use them. The booklet tells you what they are and how to use them. All right, so we have this plate. this awesome booklet for the plates, blah blah, your silicone mat, plate, polish, your stamper and scraper card set, another plate, the free sticker, your little tweezer tool here, and a container of the really colorful gemstones. This was awesome. I am very, very happy with this box. I was very pleased, and thank you so much to Maniology for sending me this box. If you would, look down in the comments and the description box. I'm going to have links to where you can buy this really awesome box. Give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.